A friendly reminder that if your neck cracks when you turn or feels stiff from looking down all day, these 3 exercises can help. Start with 10 chin tucks. Sit tall and pull your head straight back like you're making a double chin. Next, stand against the wall and do 8 slow wall angels. Keep your hands and arms touching the wall the whole way through. Then, look up at the ceiling and hold for 10 seconds. That stretch opens up the front of your neck and chest. Do this once a day and your neck will start feeling lighter in under a week. And follow me for more quick body fixes.